celebration after 6 members, 4 of them from this village called Bajrakha in Uttar Pradesh, were given the president's pardon. Their death sentence has now been commuted to life. An emotional Ramguni recalls how painful the last 25 years have been without her husband.
हम बहुत लड़का बड़ी तकलीफ उठाए, मजदूरी दतूरी कर, दिल्ली जाकर याचिका दायर कर, पैसा टका ऐसी लेकर पैसा किराए के नहीं थे हमारे पास।
हम बहुत छोटे थे जब हमारे पिताजी जेल गए थे, हम देखा भी नहीं उन्हें। अब हम अपने पिताजी से मिल सकेंगे।
6 men from the Lakhimpur Kheri district were sentenced to death for killing 5 members of a family, including a 10-year-old child. The trial court pronounced the verdict in 1995, which was later upheld by both the High Court and the Supreme Court. The family members filed for clemency in 2004 and since then have been waiting for the President's nod. That finally came on the 15th of June 2010. President Patil has also granted amnesty to Dharmendra Kumar and Narendra Yadav from UP, accused of murdering 5 members of a family. Their mercy plea had also been pending with the Rashtrapati Bhavan since 2004.
The demand for speedy disposal of mercy petitions started gaining momentum soon after Kasab's death sentence. But with no fixed time frame, precedents over the years have simply sat on the files, leaving many a convict's fate hanging in balance, which many say is unconstitutional.
Retired Justice S.W. Puranik of the Bombay High Court gave a landmark order in 1991 in a mercy petitioner's case. He commuted the death sentence of a murder convict, a Pune-based agricultural labourer, to life in jail, as the then President R. Venkataraman failed to take a decision on his clemency plea for several years.
Sentence of death, which is causing him mental torture, harassment and innumerable problems in his personal life, we thought that it should be commuted.
In the last 3 decades, presidents have commuted the sentence in only 10 of the 77 petitions decided by them. The last presidential pardon was granted by Pratibha Patil in November 2009 to R. Govindasamy of Tamil Nadu. Patil has now 21 more clemency pleas waiting for her nod, and that includes the case of Parliament-attacked accused Afzal Guru. With Rajiv Singh in Khiri and Divya Iyer in New Delhi, Priyanka Dubey.